Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing week. I hope that you all had an amazing weekend as well. So in today's content, I will be sharing another outlook on what I have my eye out on this beautiful pair called Nasdaq for this up and coming week. Okay, so without wasting no time, let's get into the breakdown. Now, coming from last week's data, right? We boxed out our areas of resistance over there. This was resistance number 1. We had resistance number 2 over here. Boom. We had our nice actual higher lows over here, our nice turning points, low, higher low over there. What did we do? We grabbed ourselves a nice actual ascending trend line from these areas and just basically extended to the near future, right? We said that we do want some sort of a retracement back inside the trend line, and as you can see, we had our nice retracement back inside the trend line and had a nice rally. Okay, now since we respected this previous area of resistance over here, I'm gonna remove this area over there just like that. Since we already tested it, this is not an area of concern for me no more. Yes, we can easily tap inside this area of resistance and have another dip back towards the downside, but we just gonna have to be reactive when that happens. Okay, now on the daily time frame, if I can get out my Fibonacci from my low to my high, we can see that we had a nice little retracement, respected the 78.6 area over there, and we can see that our minus 27, our extensions, is also lining up with this area of resistance over here. So I have my eye out on, price region 12,400 as a target where price can potentially head back into. Okay, now scaling down to the 4-hourly time frame, we can see that, looking at structure, we are currently bullish in structure. Now, if my 4-hourly is bullish in structure, this simply means that my daily will also have a rally. Okay, my daily will also move towards the upside if we remain bullish in structure. Now, 4-hourly time frame. Now, cool. Looking at our actual structure, low, higher low, right? We have this nice high. We've just created a what over there? A higher high. Now, since we created an actual higher high, I am expecting some sort of an actual pullback for an actual higher low for potential move back towards the upside. Now, I have this area boxed out over here, a strong actual level. I do have this area boxed out over here. If I can just find it, just over there, boom. I have this area boxed out just like that. As you can see, price have came to this area multiple times, right? Respect, 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 respect. Now, price can easily come back to this actual region before having a potential continuation move back towards the upside, right? But my main target would be this area over here. So I will be looking on my lower time frame, for some sort of rejection at this area over here, for potential move back towards the upside, or this area over here. I'll wait for rejection, wait for my confirmation before taking price towards the upside. Okay, now plain and simple, on the 4-hourly time frame, we are bullish in structure, so we can see potential continuation move towards the upside. We did create a higher high, so I will wait for price to first come down, create that actual higher low before looking for buying opportunities. I won't find myself buying over here. Why? Because price is expensive. I want to buy I want to buy price when it is cheap. Okay, when it's somewhere over here at our areas of support. Okay, now going on my 1-hourly time frame for you guys, I just want to show you this. Can you guys see these actual turning points? Can you guys see these turning points? Find yourself grabbing a nice actual trend line from these areas and just extend them like that. Okay, just extend them like that. First, second, third, and we had multiple respects over here. So as you guys can see, right, we broke above, haven't came back for proper retest just off yet. Right now, we know that Nasdaq love respecting trend lines, so I am basically waiting for some sort of a pullback back inside the trend line before having somewhat upside potential. Okay, and that's literally my outlook on Nasdaq. Keep in mind, we do still have this gap. It's not full just of yet. So keep your eye out on 12,120. Okay, we need to fill that gap. Keep your eye out on that gap over there. So yes, before looking for any buys opportunities from my side, I will wait for price to have its actual pullback back inside this area over here before looking for any upside potential. But keep in mind, I'm not just going to press buy. I'm going to wait for my confirmation first before looking for any upside potential. Okay, so I hope that you guys have a clean understanding of what I basically just went through. Hey, trade safe. It's me, your boy D. I'm out.